Hey guys, como está Kayo? How have you all been? So I've been receiving a lot of requests to react to becoming Filipino Kyle Coolers. It's been a while I've reacted to him, and he was actually one of the first few people, vlogger in the Philippines that I reacted to, and he is really amazing. I even heard that recently he received the award for the most Filipino at heart. I think, I'm not really sure, but I think that was it. So today I'm gonna be reacting to a new video from him, Philippines Mysterious Waterfall Paradise. So let's get started.
That's when you wake up in the morning! Woo! Yes! Woo!
Wow. This guy's really living the life, He's living the dream.
You sing? In Bisaya we say matana. Matana.
Matana.
Matana. You sing that. 5:30 in the morning. We're on the move. Let's go take the coldest bath ever. Bring it on Upper Alameda.
Wow, it's still very early. I bet most people are not yet awake at this time.
Just a little bit of morning
Actually,
puto puto. If you didn't know, puto puto means choppy. And there are a few sections of this road, even though it's paved, that are still choppy.
Choppy. Actually, it's very nice waking up early in the morning because you get to achieve so many things before others are even awake, Oh, it's freezing. It's cold. Oh wow. I really need to learn how to play this though, because I don't know how to play.
Wow, dong, a beard. Amazing.
Really good. Karaoke.
Woo, good morning. Let's see what they got here for breakfast. This is pastel, no? Pastel. Oh, talong.
What was that?
Manok. What's that? Pizza or manok?
Chicken. Fish.
That guy's just giving it. This is like his 5th song. This is awesome. Asik Falls. Let's go and trek down and see if we actually have the guts to take a bath this morning.
Wow. That looks really beautiful. Really beautiful. Landscapes,
Kailan last time, kailan dati last ang punta sa waterfalls? That was horrible Tagalog. That was the worst. That was the worst Tagalog ever. Kailan dati last time punta sa waterfalls? Okay, I don't even. Goodbye. Don't even answer me. Oh man, Grabby.
I will answer you magulut.
I love his free spirit.
That was
Like,
ridiculous. Yeah.
he's just amazing. That's all I can say. I love his free. He's very free spirited. Can basically have fun.
We're working our way down the steps
with
now,
the
but
most basic thing ever.
I love the fresh air. I love this cool environment. It's actually nicer right now, man. Dati medyo like liwanag, really mainit. But ngayon, mas chilled. It's actually, this is a really refreshing way to wake up in the morning. Woo! Down we go.
Relaxing ba?
Amazing. Wow. Where does that lead to? That looks really nice. Imagine taking a morning walk through that. That must be the most amazing thing ever. Like ever. It's crazy.
Good luck to us later.
Ano yan?
Finish swimming.
Ano yan?
Good luck to us. Madali pababa, but when we go up there later, good luck.
Tinood. Totoan. Totoan?
Tutu.
Totoan. Tinood. That means truth, right? Truth. Messiah, Tinood.
Tinuod.
Tinood. Totoan.
No.
Tagalog, Totoan, no?
Oh, Tino. Toto. Sound like true? The sounds of the running water, it's really, really nice. Like very relaxing.
Woo! Oh my gosh, that's cold. Wow, grab me. There's a lot of water this morning.
Wow. Wow, that's the waterfall over there. It's really beautiful. Amazing. Wow. 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 What? I've never seen anything like this. That is really amazing. Seems like that is like seems man-made to me actually, almost like as if it was designed that way. Wow, that's really beautiful. Oh my goodness.
This is just majestic. What a place to wake
Yeah.
up. There's like a steam coming from the water because it's moving so
best.
fast. Rainy season is awesome in the Philippines because you can look at waterfalls just powerful and flowing. Woo!
Wow. Like I was taken away by that. Like I was blown away.
Yes. Suyako, Inget.
She's really enjoying. Sorry about the repair. It's a new building, so they're making some repairs upstairs. I really apologize.
Pwede magligo. Sabi ko, hindi ako magliligo. Ligo.
Ligo! He actually made Ligo! Malamig!
Malamig pero okay lang. Kaya mo. Kaya.
really cold, like seriously cold, isn't it? Oh, wow.
Saxo! Saxo!
That must be really cold.
That's how you wake up in the morning! Woo! Yes! Woo!
Oh, that was the part you used in the beginning. Like there is like a section. Wow, it goes all the way down. It's really amazing.
Kumusta? Baon! 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 Kumusta yung first ligo dito sa Mindanao?
Sobrang sarap!
Go there!
This is really fun. Like, I wouldn't mind sleeping and waking up to that every morning. Like, every single morning, just sleeping and waking up to that. Like, I'm okay, I'm fine. I don't need anything else. That's really nice. Now the way all these, the leaves that's growing beside, like on the wall of the mountain, makes it even more spectacular.
Well, you can see why Asik Falls is a must visit. It's a waterfall that literally floats out of the side of this big green curtain.
Yeah, that's what I was just
Natural
saying.
wonder, and the water's just so powerful today.
Exactly what I was just saying.
Go
It's really
Mindanao.
amazing.
Yes.
Wow. So, it's in Mindanao, but I don't think a lot of people
You guys
visit.
are all from Chennai?
Those are
Everybody's
Indians?
from Chennai? Or no? Who's from Chennai? Where are you guys from? Oh, cool. I've been to India twice before. Let's do a selfie. Join me. We're good. Okay. This is a very good bridge because it's not falling. This is a big group of people from India, but they're staying in Davao. Okay.
Wow, they're really enjoying. I guess they're studying there because I heard a lot of Indians study in the Philippines, even Africans as well. So that's really amazing.
Alright, this is Team India in North Cotabato. What's up, guys? And I'm definitely going to put them on YouTube. That's on. Yes. Nice one. Take care. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. For sure. Woo! Oh, hello.
They're so friendly.
Alright, we're having a bridge party. Siggy.
Wow, that's really amazing. And something I've got, like, I look forward to traveling. The reason why I love traveling is the people you meet as well. I mean, the unexpected things that happen along the way, the people you get to meet, the things you learn, Those are just the things that makes traveling really amazing.
Okay.
Especially for me.
Stairs of doom. Back to the top. Those guys are from India. It's crazy how YouTube and social media. I walked up to them and went, "Hey, I'm Kulas." They're like, "No, you're Kyle Jennerman." I was like, "What?" Like, "Yeah, we watch you on YouTube."
Oh, really?
And, the crazy
Wow.
Mas kilala nila yung
Pinoy.
totoong pangalan mo, your real name. Not
I can't wait to
Pinoy
get
na
to that
Kulas.
stage
It's
as
so
well.
weird. Everyone calls me Kulas. All right. Woo. Start the run up, but I'm gonna probably get tired fast. Up we go.
Wow.
My tummy is heavier than my backpack.
Ano yan?
My tummy is heavier than my backpack. Kaya ako hinihingal.
This guy's really funny. I like him.
Oh,
I like him.
Marunong. Kabalo,
I
Marunong.
like him.
Oh, sakto. Bitaw. Payag po.
The tummy is bigger than the backpack. Wow.
Boy, first time, hangos.
Wow, I really
Hangos,
enjoyed
bro.
watching this.
Hangos, you say hangos.
It was
Hangos,
just
yun nga.
amazing.
Catching my breath.
Angos.
Hangos.
Alright, I guess I'm gonna stop the vlog here because of the drilling that is going on the upper floors. There are still some renovations going on, some repairs. So this was really amazing. I really enjoyed myself. I really enjoyed watching Coolers. It's been a while and it never disappoints. Like this was just to like another level. I love the way it showcased the beauty of the Philippines. You know, it's one of my favorite vloggers to watch from the Philippines. I hope one day we can, you know, get to meet. You know, I have a lot of things I'd like to, you know, learn from him, especially if you're watching these Coolers. I would like us to collab whenever I get to come to the Philippines. I love you. I love your content. I love your spirit, your fun. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if this is your first time watching, and I'll see you all later.